Okay. Hello, as you saw from our documentary, life on Mars is so great. Today I'll be explaining to you how agriculture on Mars is being dealt with and how everything works out. To start off, what we have brought for the plants are more than enough soil and fertilizer to make the plants last the 8-month trip, plenty of seeds to plant more plants once on Mars, pots and dividers for the greenhouse. How we have met the nutrition needs of the colonists is by healthy food with a variety. So not just bringing cucumbers or one fruit or vegetable, bring multiple fruits and vegetables to balance out everyone's body. What we have brought for the animals: hay cubes. They break down from water and they condense into huge hay bales. Poultry feed, chicken coop for laying eggs, and enclosing materials, etc. The animals and plants were transported by little separate drones and cruisers. Simple as that. The types of animals we have brought to Mars are chickens, goats, ducks, llamas, a cow, and a dog as a pet. The types of plants we have brought, so vegetables, are tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, broccoli, corn, grapes, onions, and squash. Since it's kind of hard to grow an apple tree on Mars, we only have 2 fruits, and that is raspberries and blueberries. Genetics is used to manipulate plants and animals to make them more suitable to the environment of Mars by adaptation. The plants and animals have had to adapt to their new environments. The animals have been affected by adaptation by adapting to their small living quarters. Like horses in a stall, the animal's body will get used to being sore and condensed, rather than being out in a pasture grazing. Animals have also been manipulated by adaptation by getting used to a little cooler weather, but all the time, so no changing in weather. The barn is heated, obviously, since Mars is so cold, but the temperature is always the same, so they have gotten used to no rain or no snow and things like that. Plants have had to adapt by a controlled CO2 and oxygen environment. The percentage of CO2 and oxygen is half and half. CO2 taken, oxygen out. So it's not really Earth-like because it's so equal, and it's just the same, since CO2 tanks are attached to the greenhouse. The greenhouse on Mars is a dove oval building with an air compressor opening connected to the barn, like Sandy's in SpongeBob. The water is coming from the water drill, which is also connected. The energy to fuel the irrigation system is coming from solar panels, which are also electrically connected. CO2 tanks are attached to the greenhouse for the plants, so a mixture of oxygen and CO2. The irrigation in the greenhouse consists of water misters and water troughs. The water misters are attached along the side and the top of the greenhouse. Although the water misters require more energy, they are worth it. They make a huge difference in the air quality for the plants. So damp and humid weather is required for some of the plants and vegetables and fruits grown on Mars in our little greenhouse. It sometimes makes them grow faster. In the greenhouse, there are 4 main water troughs on the ground, 2 horizontal ones going long across and 2 shorter ones going the other way. The water troughs fill with recycled urine and or de-iced Mars water found on the surface and distributes right through the roots and soil of the fruits and vegetables. That is their main source of getting water. The waste management system of our life on Mars is similar to the sewer system on Earth. Attached to the barn and all housing are overground pipes that lead to the waste dome, a separate building that holds waste and fluid that is either recycled or goes to other pipes. That is unwanted. The unwanted waste goes to other pipes and is dumped in a separate land pile outside, which freezes. The animal's waste goes through the same process, just the waste has to be shoveled into the pipes for carried away. Overall, the waste produced by humans and animals are taken care of by the overground pipes, where it is recycled for fertilizer for the plants in the greenhouse, or named unwanted. The fluid produced by both is practically the same process, just the urine is recycled into water for the plants, which is again put into the irrigation system. Unwanted and unneeded fluid is distributed through the extra pipes to the outside, where it is freezed again. So that is the irrigation on Mars and the waste management system. Agriculture on Mars has been great so far, and living here has just been awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this. Thanks. Bye.